Hello, hi, welcome back to Success Automation. This series all about the JavaScript for automation. This is purely for the automation engineers, how they can use the JavaScript in their automation. So this video is video number 4. So in this video, I'm going to talk about if loop as well as the nested if loop. So how the if loop will work as well as the nested if loop. So quickly I'll go to the browser here. I'm just um, I'm working on the online editor. So how to open this online editor means just go to Google and type JavaScript online editor. Just select this one, click this one. So it will open this editor. So in this editor, initially by default, they'll give some code. So you can remove that commented code, and when you run this one, so whatever there it is there in the console.log, it will display console.log. Console.log is similar to your print statement. uh, Print statement will be there in every programming language, so here also is a print statement. So now I'm going to talk about the if loop. Very simple if loop. I'll talk first. Now I'll go here. So this if loop, how it will work, what is the use of if loop. So here I have defined one variable, I declare one variable a, and I have assigned the value. You can declare as well as you can assign the value to a variable. So when you want to declare, it is declared. After declaring, you want to define, you want to assign some value. So you can assign the value like this. So now a is equal to 10. I assign the value a is equal to 10. That means a have value 10 now. So I'm checking the condition. If a is equal to 10, then it will print this one. I'll try to run this program. Yes, it has printed. So I'm checking the condition here. How this is called conditional if loop. Whenever you want to check the variable with some value, a is a variable and double equal to is a operator to check whether a has the value 10. If it is match, that means it's true, then it will come and print this one. You can give anything here in the codes. A is equal to a equal to 10. Okay. Now, if a is not equal to 10, you want to print something. Now, what I am doing, a is not equal. If a is not equal to, if this condition false, if a is equal to 10 is false, it will come to the else part. Now, as I have given a is equal to 10, so it will print the this first 10 because the condition is satisfied. So now I'll try to give the a is equal to 20. Now it will come to this here, whether it will check a is equal to 10, because a value is 20, it will come to the else part. So like this generally we will write. So now this condition will fail now because a is not equal to 10. Whenever the condition fail, it will come to the else part. Now if you run this, it will print this one because a is not equal to 10. It came to the else part. Like this you can check the condition. This if loop is very important in the automation, because we'll do lot of validations, and we'll validate lot of if condition. There it will be very useful. So you need to understand if loop properly. So this is a very generic if loop. This is called generic if loop. Now this is all about the if loop. Now I want to use the nested if loop. For example, you can give like this also, like this flower bucket you can give here like this, and you can give like this. This is the coding standard generally we will use. So if the flower bracket is here opening bracket, it should have the closing bracket. Even now the code will work. So now even in the else here, else part also I can use the flower bracket here, and I can give like this. Whenever you open any flower bracket, you need to close the flower bracket. That is very important. So generally why we will use the flower bracket means, if this condition is true, you want to execute a multiple statements, then we'll use this flower bracket. For example, multiple statement, not only this, I want to print something here. I want to print like this. More than one statement you want to execute when the condition is satisfied. When this condition is satisfied, you want to execute these three statements. So now I'll give a is equal to 10. When I run this, it will execute all these three statements. So it has printed this star star star, and it has printed the value. After that it has printed this one. So whenever you want to execute more than one statement after some condition is satisfied, if condition is satisfied, you want to execute this multiple statement, then you have to put the flower bracket, otherwise not required. So this is all about the flower bracket. Now I am going to talk about the else if. So now you have checked some value here. If a is equal to 10, then you are executing this. If a is not equal to 10, assume that a is equal to 20. When a is equal to 20, you want to print something. When this condition is satisfied, when this condition is satisfied, this condition is satisfied. So once this condition is false, it will come to this. Else if it want to check another condition. If a is equal to 20, then it will print this one. When I run this, it will print this one, this statement, because this condition is satisfied. Okay, if this condition is false, if this condition is false, then it will come to the else part. So now I will give 22. So first it will take the value of a. A is equal to 10, no. A is equal to 20, no. Now it will come as a is not equal to 10 and 20. Now it will print the last part, this one. This it will print this one, this one. Why it will print this one means, first it will check this condition, and if it false, it will come here. Even this is also false, because a is equal to 20, no, false. Then finally it will come to the else part. Assume that if I given a value as a 10, now it will print this statement because it has satisfied the condition. A is equal to 10. If I give a is equal to 20, it will print this one. A equal to anything you can write. A is equal to 20. Whatever you give inside the code, that will print. And you want to print the value of a, just print a comma a, just do it. It will print the, I don't want this one, I want the variable value. So till this it will print exactly whatever it is there, and whatever the value a has the value, that is what it's printing. So like this you can check the multiple conditions by using if else, if else if, and else. So these are the three conditions you can use. And one more thing is, you can check more than one condition. This is the AND operator. I'll show you this one. Now assume that there is another variable. Let b is equal to 20. B is equal to 20. So now you are checking the two values. A should be 10, B should be 20. Then A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. This double time AND operator nothing but AND operator. AND operator is both this condition should do. A should be 10 and B should also be 20. Then only it will execute this one. Now when I run this one, A is equal to 10. Okay, A is not 10. That's why it's good. So now I given the A value as 10. B is equal to 20. Now it will execute this first statement. So it has execute this one. Why it is executed means both this condition is satisfied. A value is 10 here and B value is 20. So here A equal to 10 true, and this is AND operator, and B is equal to 20 true. Then it will execute. So it will print. For example, I will give the B value as 40. It will print the second one because A is equal to 10, it's satisfied, correct, and is not satisfied because B is equal to 40. It is not 20 here. If you see here, B is equal to 40. That's why this condition fails. Any one of the condition fail means it will come to the else part. That's why it's printing the here. A is something here. A is not equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. A is not equal to 10 and B is not equal to 20. So that's why it's printing this one. You can use OR operator. If you use like this, here any one of the condition is satisfied, it prints this. So here this is the OR operator. How to get this one means shift and above the enter key there is a pipe symbol. This is called pipe symbol. If you put this one 2 times, either one is satisfied, then it will execute this statement. Either A is equal to 10 or B is equal to 20, then it will, because A is 10, that's why it's 1. Assume that A is not equal, I'll check it. A I have given 11, B is equal to 5. Both the condition will fail now. That's why I'll print this one. Because A is not equal to 10, because A is 11. B is not equal to 40, because B is 40. Both condition fail. That's why it come here. Because this OR operator check either this condition is true or this condition true. If both are failed, it will come to the else part. So this is all about today's class, today's video. I just want to discuss about if loop, and by using the if loop as well as the nested if loop, how to use, because this is very important in the automation. So I was thought of discussing this. Thank you, thanks for watching, have a great day. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, those who want to learn JavaScript. And JavaScript is becoming very popular now. Most of the companies are they are using JavaScript for their automation now. Thank you, thanks for watching, have a great day. Subscribe my channel and update any comments if you like. Thank you.